start the popcorn stitch, start with the length of chain of any even number. I'm starting with 10 today. You're going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook, 1, 2, and each chain across to the end. So I'll have 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last single crochet, 9. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet in the first stitch. And in the next stitch you're going to make 5 double crochets to start the popcorn stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 double crochets. Now to make the popcorn stitch, after you have your 5 double crochets, you're going to pull up the loop and remove your hook. And you're going to come from the back of your work and insert it into the first double crochet made. Grab the loop and pull it through that double crochet to bring all the stitches together. And then you're going to chain 1 and single crochet in the next stitch. And then start another popcorn stitch in the next stitch, 5 double crochets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to pull the loop up, remove your hook, put your hook in the back of your work through the first double crochet made, grab the loop again and pull it through that double crochet to bring your stitches together. Chain 1 and work a single crochet in the next, and then you just continue working to the end of your row, popcorn stitch, chain 1, single crochet all the way to the end, ending in a single crochet. Row 2 is finished. You can see it's smooth on the back, but when you flip it over it's really textured. The popcorn stitch is probably the most textured stitch. Start row 3, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and then you're going to work a single crochet in every stitch. And so I started with my first row of 9 single crochets, and I'll have 9 again. So you go into the first single crochet, 1, and then you kind of see the space. There's your chain 1 and then the space here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That's the popcorn stitch. You just continue working rows 2 and 3 until the project is as long as you want it.